Hello, this is UV, and now type Google Earth. Click on the Google Earth. Wait a second, internet little bit slow. Okay, now click on Explore Earth and then tools, and then at the flight simulator at the bottom. Okay, now here we are. Flight simulator is open. Now you move your mouse and keyboard to fly. Control this. Okay, now we change the location. Uh, okay, zoom in. Okay, now Angola. Now we want to fly this region, Angola. So zoom in and then click on the tools and then flight simulator. Now here we are flying on the Angola, and choose another location. Okay, we choose Texas. Click the Texas and then tools and the flight simulator. Now here we go. Thank you.